How to block someone on Duolingo. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily block a contact on Duolingo. Sometimes you may want to block a user who is spamming, bothering you, or just someone you don't want to interact with on your profile anymore. So in that case, first of all, launch open the Duolingo app on your phone or a tablet, and then once you're inside the home page, logged into your account, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Now click on Profile from the expanded menu at the bottom and you'll end up in your profile section. Now go ahead and tap on one of your followers or following lists, either the following or the followers list. Find the person you want to block from any of the lists. You can also find someone from your friend list. Once you have the contact you want to block, simply tap on their name and then go look for the Block User button inside their profile section. Now tap on Block User and click on Block in the pop-up to block the contact. Soon after you do that, the person will then be blocked from your Duolingo account. So there you have it. That is how you can easily block someone on Duolingo step by step. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.